there have been, till this point, 63 own goals scored in the World Cup so far, since its inception in 1930. So there have been, in total, 63 own goals scored. In the first edition of the competition, there was 1 goal scored, and we've had the highest incident of own goals so far in the World Cup history in 2018. That is Russia. Now, this particular World Cup is giving us a vibe of nostalgia because so far, we are about to go for the last round of group games, and guess what? We already have 9 own goals. That got us thinking here that what exactly could be the problem? Why are there 9 own goals after just 2 match days? Well, number one could be that there are more teams now. That is 48 teams, hence a higher incidence of own goals. Another is the change in tactics. So now that we have sorted out the numbers issue, we went digging to find out exactly what is the tactical issue that is leading to more own goals in this particular competition. Already, the United States men's national team has set a record for being the only team at the World Cup since 1930 to have own goals scored on their behalf in 2 consecutive group games. Never happened before, but has happened for the first time. Other things are also gradually leading to the own goals that we see. Some of them are scrappy, but some it's with the same intent that we have been seeing. Let's hit the board and check out a couple of the reasons why we have been seeing some of the things that we see. Now, this is the first game for the country, Norway, where they actually forced an own goal in this sequence, where the ball bubbled and they forced an own goal. You might say normal, right? We'll take it from there. Let's check out other things also that happen. Now, this particular graphic you see here is that game between Egypt and Belgium, their first group game. And if you quite remember, just a couple of seconds after coming onto the pitch, Lukaku was dashing and besting and actually box crashing. And then everybody thought Lukaku had scored a goal with his first kick of the game. But what exactly happened? Now, what has been happening in this particular World Cup is been a twist in tactics a bit. Now, people are going wide and crossing the ball. Normally, you were getting a couple of crosses coming from the edge of the boxes. The edge of the boxes, just around the side, around the edge of the box. And you were getting crosses which were basically out swingers. So the ball is being swung away from the goalpost. And as an attacker, you would need to generate power and redirect the ball towards the goalpost. But now, what we are getting is a lot more hugging of the touchline, going at the byline, and then whipping in what? In swingers, which are sometimes turning into, again, out swingers. But the whip on the ball is what is causing everything. Now, let's go back to this example here. So you see that the Belgians are attacking on that side, on actually the edge of the box, and the ball is being hidden. At this point in time, there is no threat. No. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing treacherous about this. But when we move it forward, just 1 second later, the next frame is this. The ball has come in, and because of the whip and power on the ball, all Lukaku has to do is just get involved in the action. He got involved in the action and got the Egyptian right back, that's Hani, to actually tap that ball and hit it into his own net, causing an own goal. That is the phenomenon we are seeing. We are seeing balls being whipped in from either side of the wing, and the whip on the ball and the pace actually also on the ball is causing a lot of defenders to be wrong-footed and are tapping it into their own net. Why? Because constantly the defenders are also being caught in a position. For instance, here, the defenders are running to meet the ball. In previous situations, when balls are being whipped from the edge of the box, the defenders would already be there and would be ready to actually attack the ball. But now they are running to try and recover from leaving a lot of space behind, and in that rush trying to clear the ball would lead to a lot of own goals. That is the phenomenon we are seeing. Why can't they kick it elsewhere? They just want to get the ball out. And also, there's another factor that has to do with this particular football and how its flight takes. So it's the football that has the least panels ever on a football that has been used at the World Cup. In the previous editions, it had the most panels, but now in this particular edition, it has about 3 panels only. So the flight of the ball, they've complained about it. We've seen the likes of Joe Hart even complain about it. But let's move it on and talk about other examples as well. So this is another own goal that happened. Now let's talk about the team that has benefited from most own goals in the competition so far. That is one of the host nations, the United States of America. Now, they were found in a situation where they literally actually get here and then force the issue with a lot of inbox action. Bam, boom, and then the ball eventually trickles over the line, and then it's a goal. Now, if you quite remember, in that their game where they got a couple of goals against, against the South. I call them the Southeast Asians. Sometimes you call them the Oceania country. Yes. Look, against that is. Even, what's exactly is their name again? Australia. Yes, Australia. They got an own goal to start festivities in that game because of similar things. Running at the defense, crossing that ball, and then the defender literally putting a foot wrong, and that got them to concede that goal. Here is the goal that I speak of. So against Australia, their first goal, runs the channel, runs literally ahead of the defenders and is looking to play that ball back. Now he plays the ball back and the defender who is before the attacker was trying to just get the ball out, but because of the flight and shape at which the ball normally spins and travels, causes the ball to go into the goalpost. So that's what's happening on the side of the World Cup, and that's why we are getting a lot more own goals. It is running down the line, whipping in the balls with a wicked spin. And once that spin is on the ball, any little touch diverts the ball into the goalpost. So just one, change in tactics, that is hugging the touchline and whipping in balls, is leading to more own goals at the World Cup so far.